Alright, welcome back. This is the third video. Please, if you've not watched the first and the second, kindly request for it so that it can be forwarded to you, maybe privately, or it can be forwarded to you here on the group. So, um, I'm just recording this video now. So, instead of being lost, kindly request for the above first and second video so that I can be able to catch up what is happening on this third one. So, thank you. Let's proceed with how to print. That is, we've actually imported the electronic pins and as it stands now, we need to get into printing proper. So in the last video, we actually uploaded pins, 30 pins of MTN, 50 pins of 9Mobile, 30 pins of Glo, and 50 pins of Airtel. So we are going to proceed with printing them. So once you want to print, you can come here and then click on print vouchers. Once you click on print vouchers, it will actually provide you with the options, the required options for the printing. So here you can see the index numbers, just like I explained in the previous video. Um, these are badge numbers, random numbers that we use to identify them. B16. Each card on this 9Mobile 100 naira, that is I'm talking here, that has this B16 is going to have this B16 codes. Each 100 naira airtime in that entire 50 pieces that was uploaded is going to have B16.1, B16.2, B16.3 to B16.50, so that you can easily use it to identify which badge has that particular airtime. Should in case anybody reports that this particular airtime has issues of this or that, you can be able to know which badge did I print that has that very airtime. You can also use it to know if this airtime is from your own, you know, printing services. So that's it. I actually want to show us on how to print. So here we're going to select the network we want to print. Here you will already see that the first one here is 9Mobile. It will tell you it has 100 naira 9Mobile 50 pieces unprinted. None of it has been printed. So on that 9Mobile 100 naira 50 pieces vouchers, we can select it, and then here it says print all. If you want to print the entire 50 pieces, you can. Then if you want to print in range, you can select print range and enter like print from 1 to 40. Just like we all know, I've explained this before, that this software enables you to print 10 or 20 or 40 pieces of airtime in one A4 paper. It is very economic. I mean, is a previous updates of this software were having 20 maximum, but this has 40, the capacity to print 40 airtime in one A4 paper. So after entering the range you want to print, or if you want to print all, you select all. You then enter your password, that is to authenticate that it is the rightful owner that is transacting or making these transactions. Then having entered your password, you can then say print vouchers. Whether you're using a computer, whether you're using um, mobile phone, it is going to pop out like this on your screen. Just like I said, B16.1 to B1640, that is batch number. So this is the airtime that it has actually generated from that electronic pin. So now you can click on print voucher. You can see it here below. You can click on print voucher. That is, if you wish to print it now, you can click on print voucher and then print. But if you want to save it as PDF to send to someone who can then print, maybe you're not in the shop or you're not in the printer uh, printing office, that you want to send to someone to print for you, or you want to print it in later time, you can as well click on that print and then save as PDF. Whether you're using a phone or whether you're using a computer, you can save as PDF. Okay, the last one I did, I saved as PDF, and that's why it's popping up automatically. So I'm saving as PDF. Paper size is A4, one sheet, and it has that 40 pieces on it. So I can save as PDF. Of course, now it is successfully saved. ICGR Pin Manager 9 Mobile 100 Naira 40 units. So I can then save. So this is actually how it works, and this is actually how you can as well um, do that for other networks. I wouldn't want to start printing other networks to still show us, but this is still the same process that you can still use to um, do other networks accordingly. Now, when you see that 9 Mobile, we've actually printed on 9 Mobile, and then looking on 9 Mobile update now, you see that it is remaining 10 unprinted. 50 was uploaded, 40 has been printed, it is remaining 10. So let me pause the audio here so that let me pause the video here so that it can be able to deliver on WhatsApp. WhatsApp does not deliver videos above a certain megabyte. So that's it.